Yes! Good job, Johnny! Congrats, John, Desiree Ferrer, and Abigail Ferrer.
MFR Realty. Maraming salamat to all our awardees. Congratulations.
This is our annual awards for MFR Realty Corporation. So ginanap lang to last Monday, this February 17. I would like to say thank you for all the blessings na nangyari sa akin. I am very grateful sa mga tumulong sa akin, lalo na yung mga mentor ko na sila Sir Mark, Sir Ray at Sir Ems. And I am grateful for all my clients that supported me and nagtiwala sa akin. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. At alam natin na marami pa tayong mga pagsubok na pagdadaanan. At sa mga future clients ko, maraming salamat din sa inyo. Dahil dito, nagkaroon ako ng pagkakataon para ma-meet ang pinaka-president natin, president ng Philinvest.
There's a song called Patuloy ang Pangarap, sung by Angel Kiba. There. No, I'm not. But let me read to you some of the lyrics. The song talks about chasing your dream.
Ladies and gents, please, lapit po tayo. Those of you who recall, I call Daniela Bobon, Maria Teresa Urbano, Emelito Suna, Zarina Reyes, and Hazel Brecabriel. Ladies and gents, they are December top contributors, sales agents. Smiling? Yes! Sales partner, sales agent for 2024 is Jody Alasio. Jody! $2 million in sales. Good job, Jody. Congrats, Jody. So again, yung agent your family. Ano masasabi mo, Jody? Pero syempre, take center stage, please. Share your message with your family, your MFR family.
Yung masasabi ko lang, una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat ako sa Philinvest. Dahil siya yung tumulong sa akin para mag-grow ako. At syempre, nagpapasalamat ako sa mga mentors ko. Kay Sir Mark, Francis Reyes. Kay Sir Ray. Saka kay Sir Ems. Dahil sa kanilang tatlo.
Most important.
Dahil sa kanilang tatlo, naging ganito ako tao. Kasi sila nagturo sa akin kung paano maging top sales agent dito sa real estate. Sila talaga yung pinakadahilan. Saka nakinig ako sa kanila.
Fourth place goes to is Patterson Ferrer. Konti lang ang benta nito, 339 million. Konting-konti. Congrats! And I understand that his family is here. Nancy Ferrer, Brian Ferrer, Desiree Ferrer, and Abigail Ferrer.
1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, isa pa.
2024, and of course we are looking forward to what will be in 2025. And of course, our beloved President, Mr. Tristan Las Marias, will lead us in our toast. So lahat ng nakaupo, we'd like to ask everybody to please stand, raise your glasses. Alright, congratulations to everybody.
Congratulations sa mga na-awards at congratulations sa ating lahat. Siyempre, hindi natatapos yung awarding namin kung walang kasiyahan. So, nakikita nyo naman dito na tumatalon-talon na kami. Ibig sabihin, magpa-party na kami dyan.